Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust picture watermark transparency in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some pages with picture watermark. Now we want to adjust picture watermark transparency. Go to the view menu, select the master pages section and select this picture. Then go to the picture format menu and select the format shape. Then go to the picture section and we can see here the transparency. You can increase the transparency or decrease. Now I increase this and click OK. Then we can see we adjust the transparency very easily. Go back the master pages section, select close master page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.